Hello friends, welcome back to the Woolen Artifacts channel. So today we will see how to make a teapot, coasters or mats. So for this project we need 100 grams of 4-ply wood and 3 needle, scissors, that's all. So we will start to make this project. So first we will start with the knot. Take the wool, flip it and then pull through the wool from this ring. Make the ring tight. So you can find basic stitches in my previous video. So I have pasted the previous video link in the description. You can find over there. So we will start our project from the chain. First of all, before that, we need to know how to wrap the wool to the left hand finger. So this is the important thing. You have to take the wool and wrap to this index finger like this, so that it will be little bit tight and you can make the knitting, you can do the knitting very comfortably. And one more thing, you have to hold the knot tightly so that it will not move and you can do the knitting easily like this. And we will start with the ring, 4 rings chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now we will connect this fourth ring and the first ring so that we can make a ring. This is the needle ring. We have to, we do not consider this ring. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Insert the needle in this and then pull through the wool and again this needle ring. So this is so called slip stitch. This we will use to connect the starting and ending of the particular line. So here you can see the gap in middle. Here this is the gap. We will start to make 12 double crochet. For this we have to start with 3 rings chain. So this 3 rings chain will be considered as 1 double crochet. So we have to make another 11 double crochet. We already made 3 rings chain. This is 1 double crochet. Wrap the wool and then insert it into the gap. Take this extra wool, put it here so that it will go through the middle of the line. You no need to insert it or sew it again. You just pull through the wool from this first 2 rings and again from the next 2 rings. So this is how we have to make we already made 3 rings double crochet and one another double crochet. So we have to make another 10 double crochet. I will show you. This is the third one. And then fourth. And then fifth. And then sixth. Seven. 8. 9. 10. 11. and finally 12. We will count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This will be the 12th one. So we will again combine the last and first of this particular line. Before that, we will, here you can see the gap in middle, right? So we have to pull this extra wool so that the gap will reduce. Now we have to combine this first and last. 1, 2, 3. This is the 3-ring chain we have made initially. So we have to insert the needle here in middle, and then again the next one. You can see here 2 layers of this wool. Like this it will be here. So we have to insert the needle to the 2 layers of wool and then pull the wool, again pull through it. So this will be the first line, the middle. Now we will start again. With the 3 rings chain, that is the double crochet. 1, 2, 3. As we want to make this circular mats, so we have to increase the line, number of rings. For this, we will make 2 double crochet in each ring. So this is the 3 rings chain, and we have to make the another double crochet here. You pull through the wool from this, and again like this, and again from this 2 rings. So this is the 3 rings chain which we have made in the previous line. So we made another 2 double crochet in the same chain. So we will have to do the same thing. We have to repeat the same thing for the remaining 11 double crochet. We have to make 2 double crochet in each ring. This is the second one. 1 and then 2. So in the 2 double crochet we made 2 double crochet. So here we made 12 double crochet in the first line. So we will make 2 rings in the each ring. Then we can find 24 double crochet. This is the third ring. I'm making this 2 double crochet here. We have to repeat the same thing in all the double crochet. And we have to remember one point here is we need to maintain the same tightness or loose throughout the project. So we came to the end. Again we have to combine this ending and starting part. 1, 2, 3. This is the 3-ring chain we have made initially. We have to insert the needle here and then to the second, and again pull through this ring. That's it. Here we can find 24 rings in this line. So in the same way we have to increase the 12 rings, as we made 12 rings in the 12 double crochet in the first line. We have to increase 12 double crochet in the each line. So here this is the count is 24 and the number of lines we make will be the multiple of 12. Now we'll start our third line. 1, 1, 2, 3. This will be the double crochet starting one. And now here you have to see carefully. We made 2 double crochet in the first ring and then 2 double crochet in the second double crochet. So we have to make another 2 double crochet in the second ring and then the fourth and then the sixth. You can easily find this one like wherever we make these 2 double crochet in the single one, we have to take the second one and make 2 double crochet in that. This one you can easily like find it out in the next 2 to 3 lines. So in the first 2 double crochet, this one would be the second one. So we have to make 2 double crochet in that. 1 and then 2. Now this is the first one in this second double crochet. So we have to make single double crochet in the first one, 2 double crochet in the second one. So now the second one has 2 double crochet, first one has single double crochet. So in this, for these 12 double crochet, we will find 12 into 3, 36 double crochet in the third line. So I will be back once I complete this line.